I'm Kayleigh Barton, centre forward for Wales. And this is what I'm taking to the Euros. I go on my phone and there's a list and I have to tick toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner. First thing will be my headphones. This is important because I like to switch off. So I'll always take two. So if these ain't charged, which sometimes you don't turn them off, the battery go, then I'll have a second pair. I listen to so many different songs, a bit of country. Psyching up for the game, I like a bit of R&B, a bit of dance. If you look at my playlist, it's just random stuff. And whatever mood I'm in, that's what I listen to. Second one will be a small photo of me and my wife. I'm always away from home, I'm always traveling. I'll have numerous photos when I go away to the Euros. I'll have one of my dog, I'll have one of my mum and dad, my niece and nephews, and obviously one of my wife. Having photos of my family is something that I think is massively important to my heart. Yeah, you do it for your country, you do it because you love playing football, but you also do it because you want to make your family proud. So whenever I go back to my room and I see my family and I see photos, it kind of grounds you that bit more and gives you more determination to why you're doing it. The tournament's going to be long, even camp days are very long, so when you go back and look at your family, I think, and how proud you're making them, it kind of like, yeah. So that's probably why I would always carry a photo. Yeah, I don't know what else to say, but I'll probably get teary, but yeah, she is proud. Let's go for this one. So this is my journal. I started journaling about 2 years ago. There's times I am very consistent, and there's times like when I'm at home, I probably don't journal as much when I'm on my day-to-day life, but when I'm away from my family and away from home, this is something I find is very, very important to me. Everyone has their different ways, coping mechanisms, but for me, it's about starting the day and ending the day, self-reflecting of how the day and experiences went. So I would say this is probably massive for me. I'll tell you what, I'll go for this one. So this is my Fire Stick. This comes to every single camp with me. When you go back to your room after a busy day, going on Netflix, going on my Amazon Prime, iPlayer, and just having some downtime, quiet time is important, and that's why it comes to every single camp with me. I love anything action. I've watched so many. As long as it's action, I'm engaged in it, and yeah, so anything like that. Oh, I have been watching Britain Got Talent as well. My iPad, especially on journeys. So when we're flying, I'll always download series and I'll watch them. Mainly because when I'm at home with my wife, it takes about 2 months to watch a series. So I'll tend to have a sneak peek and pretend I never watched it. Something that is important, I have a necklace that I got bought for me, and it just takes me back to my nan. She was there at the beginning of my journey of football, and I'm probably gonna get upset with this one, oh my God. So that comes everywhere with me because my nan was a big part of my life, so it's just a pendant that I take wherever I go and I wear whatever. So yeah, my nan will be very, very proud of what I achieved with my nation, but also what I've achieved as an individual. Oh my God, I thought I was gonna cry on that one, talking about my nan. Oh my God, mention my nan, I never talk about my nan. Honest to God, you just have this, it's been so many years, but she was a big part of my life. So that's my bag.